A fully loaded big rig weighs as much as 80,000 pounds. The average car weighs just 3,000 pounds. As a result, when these two vehicles collide, the occupants of the car sustain the majority of the injuries. Even worse, these injuries are usually severe and life-threatening. The U.S. government is well aware of the dangers large commercial vehicles present. That's why the trucking industry is tightly regulated and why truck drivers are held to a higher standard than average drivers. Yet truck drivers often break these rules and regulations in an attempt to increase their paychecks. When their negligence leads to a catastrophic trucking accident, they can and should be held responsible for their mistakes and for the injuries they have caused. Truck driver fatigue is one of the main causes of trucking accidents. Truckers are allowed to drive for 11 hours at a stretch, or 10 hours at a time for passenger-carrying drivers. Yet truck drivers only get paid for the hours they are driving, and trucking companies want their loads delivered as quickly as possible. Because of this, truck drivers often exceed the driving limits and drive fatigued. A sleepy truck driver can run through an intersection, plow into a line of stopped cars, or fail to notice a motorcycle in the next lane. This leads to serious and debilitating injuries and permanent disabilities. In addition to driving fatigued, truck drivers display negligence by texting and driving, using cell phones, eating and drinking while driving, speeding, failing to brake properly, and driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol. If you believe that a negligent truck driver caused your trucking accident, you need to act quickly. Trucking companies often employ large legal teams that are dedicated to reducing liability. Vital evidence can be lost or even destroyed if you do not hire an experienced trucking accident attorney quickly. Call Denver trucking accident lawyer Robert Paysinger today for a free consultation and review of your case. He can protect your rights to compensation and ensure that you are not taken advantage of by trucking companies and their legal teams.